Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at an updated version of one of my favourite fans that have ever been produced by Thermaltake, the Riing series. These here today are the new Riing Duo 14s, which are 140mm PWM controlled fans with two individual 16.8 million colour LED rings that support TT RGB Plus software, Amazon Alexa and Razer Chroma. The Riing Duos are fitted with a long life hydraulic bearings and with a compression fan blade design, helping to deliver remarkable cooling performance without sacrificing their quiet operation. As previously mentioned, the Riing Duo feature two LED rings, but these are fitted with 18 addressable LEDs giving great light coverage in uniform colour and brightness, which we'll be demonstrating later on in the video. The Riing Duo hub provided allows you to control all the devices and customize the lights at the same time by allowing you to set up to 5 profiles for each controller. Each controller that is connected to your system is displayed on the top left of the interface for ease of use and for quick access. Within each profile, you can check which device is set up to what operator mode and obviously the lighting effect, and makes things easier for you to understand. You can even save and apply the settings to other controllers within your system. Also, the controller is designed with a dip switch on the back so you can set a number for each controller easily to help you, the user, identify the area within the system easier. For your information, you can add up to 5 devices to one lighting controller and up to 16 controllers to the software. Please note the controller and the coding guide are included within each pack, and in my personal opinion they are pretty easy to understand. Just a side note, I would recommend to connect up to 1 controller and 5 devices per single Molex connection. This is due to the power limitations through the Molex connection. The Riing Duo 140mm PWM controlled fans have a unique 9-blade design which is engineered to generate a higher airflow without compromise, and boy do they do just that. In Thermaltake's true fashion, they have fitted the Riing Duo with anti-vibration mounting, which in my opinion isn't needed but is there for more peace of mind. So as far as lighting goes, this is controlled by the patented TT RGB Plus software, which allows you to monitor the fan's performance, adjust the speeds, and customize the lighting effects for Thermaltake's Plus RGB compatible products. The lighting effects consist of thousands, and I mean thousands of variations, but just to list a few, you have static, flow, RGB spectrum, ripple, twinkle, and my all-time favourite, wave. Each lighting area can be set to different modes to make your lighting truly unique and make your personality shine through your computer. Moving on to build quality, which is everything you would expect from Thermaltake, to be honest. Braided black cables, good quality plastics, and well sanded edges, and an overall good quality feeling product, which is evident in passing through a high level of quality control. So with all that said, priced at £107.88, the price is steep, but quality comes at a price unfortunately, but that quality also gets our gold award because these are absolutely amazing and I loved them. So if you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. I have been your host Jezy, and I hope to see you all in the next video coming very soon. Take care. Bye bye.